Hey everyone, it is a challenge to create a bicycle that balances affordability and functionality. Trucks District 4 equipped is a zippy urban machine that appeals to individuals who are fitness fanatics or are looking for affordable transit solutions. The District 4 equipped, in contrast to e-bikes, has noteworthy features appropriate for lifestyle adjustments. It is not intended for off-roading. Instead, it is made for urban settings and is suitable for gravel and hard-packed trails. The frame is made of alpha smooth aluminum, which is exclusive to Trek and is developed to prioritize weight, strength, and capability. Its functionality is improved by internal cable routing and belt drivetrain compatibility. Speaking of drivetrains, Trek partners with Gates for a maintenance-free CDX system, featuring a 22-tier air sprocket and 40/60 chain wheel. This setup requires minimal cleaning or servicing, ensuring reliability over thousands of miles. While some belted drivetrains operate on a single-speed system, the District 4 equipped incorporates Shimano's Alfine S7000 gearbox with 8 speeds, offering a gear range of 306%. This gearbox significantly aids in navigating hilly terrains without overly taxing the rider's legs. Adapting to a belted drivetrain may pose initial challenges, especially with acceleration, but once in motion, it facilitates smooth cruising, albeit susceptible to gusts of wind. So, Trek's District 4 equipped presents a compelling option for urban riders seeking a blend of performance, durability, and low maintenance. Trek's District 4 equipped stands out not just for its essential features, but also for the depth of its capabilities, making its price tag of $1,750 justified. Starting with Trek's signature lifetime warranty on the frame, this bike is built to excel in urban environments, while offering versatility beyond city streets. One notable feature is its cargo mounts, allowing riders to attach racks and panniers for carrying essentials like groceries or camping gear. This flexibility transforms the bike from a mere commuter to a reliable urban companion for various activities, including light outdoor adventures. The tire dimension is another highlight, with standard 700 by 40C tires that strike a balance between urban maneuverability and off-road capability. The frame and fork can accommodate up to 50C tires, enhancing its off-road performance for gravel trails. The District 4 equipped has Shimano hydraulic MT200 brakes with 160mm rotors for dependable stopping ability to tackle a variety of terrains. The bike is equipped with all Bontrager parts, including a novel dynamo installed on the front wheel that powers the headlamp and suggests possible future technological developments. With a medium-dimension frame weighing 32.6 pounds or 14.8 kilograms, the bike is easy to operate in urban environments despite its capabilities. Although its geometry plays a part in how well it performs, the only way to truly enjoy the ride is to test ride one at a nearby store. Write your opinion about the new bike. I will be interested in reading your comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.